see a GTR Skyline. Ooh. Yeah. I can't wait to hear those VL Commodores.
First thing here. R34 GTR. That's pretty sick.
He's got the JDM plate.
Yeah, they are.
This camera won't show the screen at all.
Hey Charlie, we're here at Cars and Coffee. What do you reckon?
Pretty decent.
Should we go for a walk?
Yeah.
Alright, should we go for a walk, Jayden? Do you want to do the filming or do you want me to? You can? Alright, Ferrari. Another GTR. You happy?
Yeah. It's a JZX100 with Walk VSKs.
Let's go have a look.
That's really nice.
Do you like it? Hey, how you going?
That's really nice. Thank you. Oh. He drifted. Just a cruiser.
What are you in the best car so far?
In my opinion.
So despite arriving a little bit late and surviving the heat of the day, it was time to drop the guys home after Charlie and Jayden's first Cars and Coffee, which is an awesome change from our usual drift shed hangouts, pulling apart the skylines. So what do you reckon, Charlie? What do you think of Cars and Coffee?
That's pretty cool.
What was your favourite car there?
Probably the